Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install React Native with Expo detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the provided instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Next, install the Expo CLI globally by executing the following command, npm install g. This command might take a moment to complete, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, verify it by typing Expo version. You should see the version number displayed in your terminal. Now, create a new Expo project by using the command expo init my project. You can replace my project with your preferred project name. When prompted, select a template for your project. For beginners, the blank template is a good choice. After selecting the template, navigate into your project directory by executing cd my project. To start the development server, type expo start. This command opens a new tab in your default web browser displaying the Expo developer tools. You can run your app on a physical device or an emulator. To use a physical device, install the Expo Go app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your device and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In your terminal, scan the QR code displayed in the Expo developer tools. This will open your new React Native project in the Expo Go app. If you prefer an emulator, ensure you have Android Studio or Xcode installed and set up. Follow the instructions in the Expo developer tools to launch your app on the emulator. To modify your app, open the project folder in your preferred code editor. You can edit the app.js file to start building your application. Any changes you make will automatically reflect on your device or emulator. Congratulations, you have successfully installed React Native with Expo and created your first project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.